Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to link Google Drive and Dropbox. So let's find out, can we do it or not? Before we begin, it's important to understand why someone might want to link both platforms. Maybe to easily move files, back up important documents, or collaborate across different tools. Here you can see now I am on the Dropbox website, and I will not see any option by which I can link my Dropbox to the Google Drive. At first glance, it might seem like there's no direct feature available to make this connection easily. And if I move to my Google Drive, even in my Google Drive, I can't find an option of link it with Dropbox. This is because both services are independent and don't offer built-in integrations on their main dashboard. How can we do it? For this I have a way, and that is in your Dropbox. If you click on the option Upload and Drop here, you can find an option Import from Google Drive. This hidden option is not always obvious, but it's incredibly useful once you know where to look. If I click on it, it will say choose a location. So I will choose this folder and click on this option. Make sure to select a folder where you want your imported files to be saved for easy access later. Now, in this pop-up, it will confirm your account. This step is important because it makes sure Dropbox has permission to reach your Google Drive securely. Now here you can see it's saying when you allow this access, Dropbox will be able to get access to your Google Drive, and if you want to do it, then click on the option Continue. Now you can see my Google Drive has been connected, and now I can directly import my Google Drive file to my Dropbox. What I need to do, I just need to select a file, and I need to click on the option Select. Without tapping any of this, I will hit Upload, and you can see now file is fetching from my Google Drive to my Dropbox, and let me show you that file. And below you will see that file, which I just imported from my Google Drive to my Dropbox. So it's a way by which you can link both accounts easily, and that's it.